Good morning, children. I am Mohana, your computer teacher, shortly TMM. Today's topic is computer hardware. Before going to the topic, I want to give small introduction about computer. Computer is a machine. It can perform several functions. That means it is used for lot of purposes. It works on electricity. The computer performs its functions in 3 steps: input, process, output. Input means computer accepts data and instructions through the input devices, that is input. Processing: after getting the input data, the computer processes the data, that is processing. After processing, computer gives the result to us, that is output. Okay, next one. The computer has two parts, hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that you can see and touch. It consists of input devices, output devices and storage devices. Software refers to a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular task. Input devices are hardware in which you can give a data and instruction in the form of words, numbers, sound and pictures into the computer. Many input devices are there. Here we are going to discuss only keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, light pen, touch screen, touchpad, scanner, microphone, digital camera and web camera. The first one is keyboard. A keyboard is used to enter data and instruction into the computer by typing. The standard keyboard has over 100 keys which can be divided into 4 groups: typing keys, that is alphabet keys and numeric keys; function keys F1 to F12, F1, F2 up to F12; navigation keys, which is used to change the position of the cursor. Example for navigation keys: arrow keys, page up, page down, home, end and etc. Next, control keys: alt, control, windows, escape and etc. These are all control keys. Next, input devices: mouse. A mouse is a handheld pointing device. It has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel in the middle. You can single click, double click or right click the mouse to perform various functions such as selecting objects, selecting text, moving objects, drawing pictures. Next one is trackball. A trackball is a pointing device similar to a mouse. It has a ball on top. You move the cursor on the monitor by rolling the ball. Next, joystick. A joystick is also a pointing device. It is used to play games on the computer. It helps you move objects or the pointer on the monitor. A joystick gives you better control on games software such as racing and shooting games. Next one is light pen. A light pen is a pen-like pointing device. You use it to select an object on the display screen by pointing at it. You can also use it to draw directly on the screen. A light pen is mostly used by engineers, architects and fashion designers. Next, touch screen. A touch screen is a computer screen that is sensitive to touch. You can select an object by directly touching it with your finger without any pointing device. The touch screen is used in cell phones, laptops, tablets and ATMs. Next, touchpad. A touchpad is a touch sensitive pad that you can use instead of a mouse. By moving your finger on the touchpad, you can control the movement of the pointer on the screen of the computer. Every laptop has a built-in touchpad. Next, scanner. A scanner is a device that makes a digital copy of any text or picture on paper and stores it in the computer. Scanners are of 3 types: flatbed, sheet fed handheld, the flatbed scanner is the most commonly used nowadays. Next, microphone. A microphone allows you to record voice, music, and other sounds into the computer. It is also used to input commands by voice. Next, digital camera. A digital camera or a digicam is a camera that takes still photographs and videos. These are stored in a memory chip inside the camera. They can be transferred to a computer by connecting the camera to the computer. You can then see and edit them on the computer. Next, web camera. The web camera or webcam is a special type of small digital camera attached to a computer. It can capture still images and videos. It is mainly used to share pictures and have live video chats on the computer. Next, output devices. The output devices are hardware devices that display information and results in the computer system. Here some output devices are given. The first one is monitor. A monitor looks like a television screen. It is also called a visual display unit, VDU. It shows you all that you type on the keyboard and the processed output. It is also used to view images and videos. The processed output that you see on the monitor is called the soft copy. Speakers. Speakers allow you to listen to music and to other kinds of sound stored in a computer. They may be built inside the computer or attached to it by wires. Next, printer. You use a printer to print on paper what you see on the monitor. The printer can be used to print text and images. The printed copy is called the hard copy. There are three types of printers. A dot matrix printer prints characters in black and white as a pattern of dots. Its output is not of very high quality. Dot matrix printers are not in much use now. Next, a inkjet printer. An inkjet printer uses a stream of ink droplets to print text and graphics on paper. It can print in both black and white and in color. It gives good quality prints. Next, a laser printer is a fast printer with good quality printouts. It uses a laser beam to print. It is used in places like publishing houses where speed and quality are important. Next, headphones. You can use headphones to listen to music stored in the computer without disturbing others. Next, projector. You can use a projector to display output on a large screen. This is useful for teaching, making presentations and also watching movies. That's all today's class. Remaining portions we will discuss in the next class. I will send you in Google Classroom as a PDF for this lesson book pages. You go through it. I will see you in the next class. Thank you.